Jason, my name is Robert Leininger. I'm the Fire Chief, Springfield Township. We're at Station 80 today, which is located on Winton Road, just north of the YMCA, and we're doing RAT training. Now you ask, what does RAT stand for? RAT is Rapid Assistance Team. We have a RAT team on all of our fires so that in case there is a need to rescue a firefighter, we have a Rapid Assistance Team available to expedite rescue. One of our biggest hazards is falling through a floor, being trapped due to a structural collapse. And when a firefighter is trapped, you need to be able to get in there and get to them quickly. That's why we have a rapid assistance team standing by. The incident commander, when he receives a mayday that a firefighter is trapped, there is total chaos on the scene. Firefighters just want to stop what they're doing and run to their aid of their fallen brother or sister. But you can't have that type of chaos. You need to have a trained team that can be poised and have the proper equipment and training to be able to go inside of a burning building and rescue a firefighter that may have fallen through the floor or is trapped in a structural collapse. When you think of a firefighter that's been trapped, the things that's going to kill that firefighter is that their air has been compromised, perhaps their face mask has been ripped off their face, they've run out of air, their self-contained breathing apparatus no longer has air, so they need air quickly or they can die. They may be injured, so we take rope to hook onto the firefighter and drag them out of the building. We always work as a team. It's a minimum of 2, sometimes 3. We take a self-contained breathing apparatus with us so that when we get to the injured firefighter, we can convert the defective self-contained breathing apparatus to a new tank and supplement that person's air and hopefully have enough air to get them out of the building. This is the thing that is the most stressful of any rescue situations that we can think of, is that when you have one of your brother, sisters, or brother firefighter down, you need to be poised, well-trained, and know exactly what to do in case there's that type of emergency. All fire departments in Hamilton County are receiving the training. The difficult thing that we have in Hamilton County is that most fire departments do not have the staffing that is necessary to handle all aspects of structural firefighting. According to National Fire Protection Association standards, we should have at least 20 to 24 firefighters on the scene of a working structure fire. Most fire departments in Hamilton County do not have the staffing in order to do that. So we have to rely on mutual aid. We help each other, in other words. If Green Hills, for example, has a fire, Springfield Township is going to be a good neighbor and respond to Green Hills and offer them our resources, personnel and equipment to help rescue victims, to help rescue firefighters, to help with their fire suppression needs. But we work as a team. All of Springfield Township firefighters are trained to do RAT, Rapid Assistance Team, and so if Green Hills, Colerain, Forest Park, any of our neighboring jurisdictions need RAT assistance, we will respond and provide the resources and personnel necessary to help them rescue a firefighter in need. All right, Jason, I'm with Jim McManus, John McKinnish, Lieutenant Kevin Richards, and Jim Watkins. They're the 4 firefighters that just completed their training at Station 80. As you can see, they're sweating, they're tired. But as I mentioned earlier, this is a rescue that will test them physically, emotionally, and they need to be poised and stay focused on their mission. One thing that we did to simulate a real situation is that we blacken their mask, or we put actually cellophane in there. They have some visibility to light, but they can't see, or really they can't see their hand in front of their face, but it does give them the sense that they're in a smoke-filled environment. The other thing that's important with training is that you always do a critique following that training so you can get feedback.
I thought it was realistic. I mean, we could have maybe been a little faster on our initial surge, but really you don't know then you may miss something if you're going really fast. You know, we don't know what the end point is of where that our downed firefighter is, so we just don't know. So, and we're always gambling with time. I mean, I know Jim Watkins' bottle went off first, and I knew as soon as his went off, the rest of ours were going to get ready to go.
And one of the things that we've learned is that we need to have a rapid assistance team available anytime we put our firefighters at risk.